Imagine walking into a dealership 5 years from now. You see two electric SUVs parked side by side. They cost about the same. They both look great. They both promise modern technology. But one can drive nearly 500 miles on a single charge, recharge in just a few minutes, keep more than 90% of its battery health after hundreds of thousands of miles, and costs thousands of dollars less to build. The other can't. Now ask yourself one question. Which one would you buy? That simple decision could determine the future of the global auto industry. For years, most people believed the battle for electric vehicles was all about sleek designs, giant touchscreens, or self-driving software. But behind the scenes, every major automaker knows the real war is happening somewhere you almost never see: inside the battery. The battery determines nearly everything that matters in an electric vehicle. It decides how far you can drive before needing to recharge. It determines how quickly you can get back on the road. It affects how much the vehicle costs to build. It influences resale value years later. And perhaps most importantly, it determines whether electric cars can truly replace gasoline-powered vehicles for millions of everyday drivers. That is exactly why Tesla has quietly shifted much of its attention away from simply launching new cars. Instead, the company is pouring billions of dollars into one mission: building a completely better battery. Not necessarily a battery with a completely new chemistry, but a battery designed to be cheaper, lighter, stronger, safer, easier to manufacture, and powerful enough to reshape the future of transportation. If Tesla succeeds, the impact won't stop with the Model 3 or the Model Y. It could force nearly every major automaker, including BYD, Toyota, Hyundai, General Motors, Ford, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and battery giants like CATL, to rethink their own strategies. The race is no longer about who builds the fastest electric car. It's about who builds the smartest battery. And today, we're diving deep into exactly what Tesla is working on, why it matters, how it compares to the competition, and whether Elon Musk's newest battery strategy could become the biggest turning point in the EV revolution. But before we begin, if you enjoy detailed breakdowns of electric vehicles, future technology, and the biggest stories shaping the automotive world, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because we bring you simple, fact-based explanations of the innovations changing transportation around the globe. Now, let's go back to where this story really began, the time almost nobody believed Tesla. It's easy to forget how different the automotive industry looked just 15 years ago. Today, electric vehicles seem almost inevitable. Nearly every major automaker has announced an EV strategy. Governments around the world are investing billions into charging infrastructure. Consumers now expect every company to have at least one electric model. But it wasn't always like this. In fact, there was a time when the idea of an all-electric future sounded almost ridiculous. Back then, people viewed electric cars as tiny city commuters. They were considered slow, expensive, limited. Many people believed they would never replace gasoline-powered vehicles. Industry experts openly questioned whether electric cars would survive outside of niche markets. Some argued batteries would always be too expensive. Others insisted charging would remain inconvenient forever. Many believed gasoline engines still had decades left before facing any serious challenge. Even investors were skeptical. Launching an electric car company in that environment seemed almost impossible. Then came Elon Musk. Unlike traditional automakers that had been refining gasoline engines for generations, Tesla wasn't trying to improve existing technology. It wanted to replace it entirely. That idea sounded incredibly risky. Tesla wasn't competing against one company. It was challenging an entire industry that had spent over a century perfecting internal combustion engines. The odds looked overwhelming. The company struggled financially. Production deadlines slipped. Manufacturing problems became public. Critics predicted bankruptcy more than once. Every setback generated headlines suggesting Tesla was finished. Yet through all those difficult years, Elon Musk kept repeating one central belief. If batteries became dramatically better, everything else would eventually follow. Cars would improve, prices would fall, consumers would switch. The future wouldn't be decided by engines anymore. It would be decided by energy storage. That philosophy shaped nearly every major decision Tesla made. Instead of simply purchasing batteries from suppliers and assembling cars, Tesla wanted to understand batteries from the inside out. It invested heavily in battery engineering, battery chemistry, battery manufacturing, battery software, battery cooling systems, battery recycling, even battery factories. While many competitors focused mainly on designing attractive electric cars, Tesla focused on something much less visible: the technology hidden beneath the floor. Because Tesla understood something many others underestimated. A beautiful car means very little if the battery underneath isn't good enough. Tesla stopped being just a car company. As Tesla matured, something interesting happened. People still called it an automaker, but inside the company, its ambitions had become much larger. Tesla wasn't simply designing vehicles. It was building an entire technology ecosystem. Software engineers worked alongside battery scientists. Artificial intelligence teams collaborated with manufacturing experts. Energy specialists developed products completely unrelated to passenger vehicles. Factories became laboratories for automation. Instead of improving only one area, Tesla tried improving everything simultaneously: electric motors, battery packs, charging infrastructure, vehicle software, power electronics, manufacturing efficiency, artificial intelligence, robotics, energy storage. Few companies in automotive history had attempted something on that scale. That integrated strategy became one of Tesla's biggest competitive advantages. Instead of relying heavily on outside suppliers for every critical technology, Tesla gradually brought more development in-house. The company believed controlling more of its technology would allow faster innovation. Sometimes that approach created enormous challenges, but sometimes it also produced major breakthroughs. From startup to one of the world's most valuable companies, the transformation has been remarkable. A company once dismissed as a risky startup has grown into one of the most recognized names in the automotive industry. Tesla now operates gigafactories across multiple continents. Its vehicles are sold throughout North America, Europe, Asia-Pacific, and many other markets. Millions of Teslas travel roads around the world every day. The Model 3 helped redefine what an affordable premium electric sedan could look like. The Model Y quickly became one of the world's best-selling electric crossovers. Together, those two vehicles account for the majority of Tesla's global deliveries. The company also produces the luxury-focused Model S and Model X, along with the distinctive Cybertruck. Beyond passenger vehicles, Tesla has expanded into commercial energy storage through products like Powerwall and Megapack. Its charging network continues to grow, its software ecosystem continues evolving, and autonomous driving research remains a major long-term focus. All of this reflects one important reality. Tesla no longer measures its future solely by how many cars it sells this year. Its long-term strategy depends just as much on technology leadership, especially battery technology. The EV industry has changed forever. However, the competitive landscape today looks nothing like it did a decade ago. Years ago, Tesla often appeared to have a significant head start. Many traditional manufacturers were still debating whether electric vehicles would become mainstream. Today, that hesitation is gone. Nearly every major automotive company is investing aggressively in electrification. Chinese manufacturers have expanded rapidly. Battery specialists continue introducing new innovations. Governments continue supporting EV adoption through various incentives and infrastructure investments. Consumers now have more electric choices than ever before. Competition has become intense. Companies like BYD have dramatically increased global sales. CATL has become one of the world's largest battery manufacturers. Hyundai and Kia continue launching highly regarded electric models. BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Ford, General Motors, Rivian, Lucid, and numerous Chinese startups are all investing billions into electric mobility. This isn't a temporary trend, it's a permanent transformation. And as competition grows, technology evolves even faster. Every manufacturer is searching for the next breakthrough. Some prioritize lower prices, others chase longer driving range. Some focus on charging speed, others emphasize software. But underneath every strategy, the same challenge remains. How do you build a better battery? Because whoever solves that problem first could gain one of the biggest competitive advantages in automotive history. And that brings us to the end of today's deep dive. Tesla's next-generation battery isn't just another upgrade, it's part of a much bigger strategy that could reshape the future of electric vehicles. If the company delivers on its promises, we could see EVs that are cheaper to build, faster to charge, longer lasting, and more practical than ever before. But with rivals like BYD, CATL, Toyota, Hyundai, and many others pushing their own breakthroughs, the race is far from over. The biggest question now is this: will Tesla's battery technology keep the company ahead of the competition, or will another automaker deliver the next game-changing innovation first? Let us know what you think in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates on EV technology, Tesla, BYD, battery breakthroughs, and the future of the global automotive industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.